Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video we will try to understand the ROR and ROL, rotate right and rotate left command in LS PLC. First of all, we will open our XE5000 software and here we will choose one input address, an example IX0, and next we will choose the F10 and here we will type the ROR. ROR, when you type, you can find here is the ROR command, rotate right command. There is a many of commands in the, you can see ROR means only single bit, ROR with the byte, ROR D word, ROR L word, ROR word. Any you can use how much sequence bits you like to be on, you can choose this command. For an example, we will choose this one ROR D word and after click it OK. And these two commands we will be one time choose, one more we will be take it input here, that's I will choose IX1 for example, and next we will choose same command ROL. Means one is rotate right and one is rotate left. And next we will choose some bits, yani here first we will be give the addresses. For example, here we will be give the addresses, for example MD100 we will be choose, and in the out we will choose the QD 0.0.0 for example, we will choose 0.0.0, sorry, and here we will be to type the D10 for example, and same as here we will be type the data register MD200 for example, and here we will be choose D10, only single we can replace, no problem. And here also output we will be choose for the QD 0.0.0. QD 0.0, and this we will be delete. And here now we will be take the to verify our bits when it's moving Q.0.0. this is we will be remove the 10 and click OK. And same is we will take also Q.0.1, and in the next we will be choose 2, and next we will be choose 3, and here we will be choose for 4, and one more we will be choose 5. How many bits you like to be choose, you can choose it here, that's nothing issue. I'm only for the explanation choosing the 7 bits for you. And next you can take any output, for example to complete the row QX0.7 you can choose, it's nothing issue. QX7 or 8, yeah, any you can choose, this nothing issue. And now this program will be right into the PLC. And we will make the monitor. And now here this n means, n what means number of bits, how much bits you like to be moved in one time, you can select it here. For an example, we will choose the one bits like to be moved, and here we will give the value. For an example, here I will write the 2 value, and here is also I will write the 2 value, and as we will be press the IX0, after you can see the first bit is on of our PLC or internal memory, and as we will press the IX1, you can see this is the QD0.2 is on. And for an example, here we will type the 4, and here is also we will be type the 4, and after we will press the IX0, and you can see our second bit is on. And when we press the IX1, you can see this is QD0.3 is on. Same yani one is like to go right, when we press this one IX0, yani ROR when we left to right when we command use, after this command go back, yani when we press IX1 is move to the next right to left moves, right. And for an example, here we will be type the for an example 8 value, and here is also we will type the 8 value, and after when you press the IX0, after you can see this is the Q0.2 is on, because this is left to right moving the bits. And when you click the IX1, after it will be goes yani right to left. And one more example we will be choose, for an example 16 we will be choose, and here also we will be choose the 16, and after when we press the IX0, you can see this is the right to right moving the bit. And when we press the IX1, after you can see it's moving the right to left. So this way you can use this all bits yani which sequence you need, left to right or right to left, so you can decide it here. And how much bits after you like to be used, that's you can choose it here. For an example, we will choose it here two bits after we like to move. Okay, when I press this IX0, after you can see this is 2 bits after move, and when I press IX1, after you can see this bits now cannot see because this is go back yani IX0 when you press Q0.2, because of 2 bits after it's moving. If you put other more bits yani QD 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.10, after you can see, otherwise it will be single you can see the bits are moving. And 16 IX0, IX1 when you press Q0.5 is on, when you press IX0 it will be go back, Q0.3 will be on. And for an example, here you like to be write 32 value and click enter, and after you press, after you can Q0.4 is on. And if you like to be go into the next bit, you can have to be type 64 for an example, and when you press IX0 it will be go Q0.5. and when you again like to be more move 64 bits, after which bit is coming 128 in binary, 128 when you type, after it will be on Q0.5. and when we will be type 256, and when we press the IX0, you can see it's now move the QD0.7. and same value if you type it in the MD200 256, and after you will be see it will be move back, but this bit we cannot see yani this is very long bit yani. Same 2 type, and after press, and after you can see this the second bit is on. So hope guys you will be understand about the rotate right and rotate left. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.